Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Garam Masala Travelers. Like, subscribe, and follow us on our link. And we will always keep coming up with new videos to show you exactly how beautiful and amazing Indonesia is. Today we have come to this lovely place. It's called Candi Sambisari, which is 3 kilometers away from the main temple, which is called Prambanan. In Indonesia, they have a lot of temples, which is called Candi. So that is why the name of the temples is called Candi. So in Indonesia, we had a lot of Hindu rulers that had come in the 9th century, and where they built a lot of temples out over here. It was built in the 9th century by the Hindu king called the name of Rakai Garung. This temple, due to the earthquake, later was covered up, got buried under the ground, which was later discovered. Follow us.
आइए आपको दिखाते हैं कि ये टेंपल कैसा है।
Okay guys, see you at the next temple now. To the entrance of the Prambanan, where they exactly keeping proper health checks and everything. Over here. And they make sure you wear your mask and everything. They even have a disinfectant chamber if you have a look over here. In the vicinity you can see the 3 main structures of the Prambanan Temple, where there's a myth which says that there used to be a queen out over here and a king from the other land wanted to marry her. So when he gave his proposal, the queen demanded for him to build 1,000 temples overnight. And the king accepted the promise. That one night he built around 999 temples, where exactly was falling short of one temple. But still, in the end, the queen decided to marry him. But now over here, if you have a look, if you come to Jogja to have a look at the Prambanan temples, there are around 200 temples, because a lot of them have been broken down due to the earthquake and various calamities that have happened out over here. It's a beautiful view out over here. this is another site where it is under construction right now, because in Indonesia they have a lot of earthquakes. So it is said to be that there were 1,000 temples, 999 temples, where a lot of them got destructed. Here even you can see there is some construction work that is going on. If you have a look over here, you can see all the broken bricks of these temples that are there. It is raining still. We have come out over here to give you a clear idea exactly how the place looks. There's a lot of construction work that is going on. Okay, now we are at the Ramayana Ballet Center. So in the evenings, where they have, this is the place where they have the shows and everything for the Ramayana. Here in the front they have, if you have a look, that's the place where they have the auditorium where they have the Ramayana shooting. Now we are inside the auditorium where they normally have the ballet show, the Ramayana ballet show, where today they don't have any show, so I was lucky. I had a nice chance to come inside and just give you a clear view of the area. It's a nice big auditorium where they do not have too many people, so you can really enjoy the atmosphere. I just turn it around so you can at least get a nice clear view of the surrounding area. Everything is nice and green in the vicinity. That is one thing which is really unique about Yogyakarta. They do not have too many buildings. At present, you can say they just have like around 8 to 10 buildings where they have apartments which have just started. But normally, like, it's a city basically with a village touch to it. So that's what makes it beautiful. And in the background you can even see the three temples, the major structures of the Prambanan. So everything is kind of like in a way linked to each other. So if you want to have a nice lovely day, you can plan coming early in the morning out over here to the Prambanan Temple, which is not very, in the morning it's not very crowded. Beautiful atmosphere, the weather around you is really nice and not very hot in the morning. You can have a lovely walk through, looking at all the carvings and everything on the side of the temple. And in the evening, go out for a nice lunch or something, and in the evening you can come out over here and enjoy the ballet show. You guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Hope you have a lovely time. But please don't forget to subscribe and like us on our channel, Garam Masala Travelers. Thank you. In and out.